If you want to search by image on Samsung Galaxy A17, you can use, for example, circle to search. So if you press and hold your finger on the home button or the navigation handlebar that you have at the bottom of the screen, then you should be able to open this Google overlay, and then you can, for example, draw a shape around the subject that you're looking for, that you want to find out what it is, for example, or I don't know, like try to get some explanation. And there we go. As you can see, we have even the Gemini AI overview. We have some visual matches over here at the top. We can also switch categories. And generally speaking, this is how it works. You can just also simply tap on the subject in order to try to find it. As you can see, we can even tap on the text or something, and you can resize the selected area as well in case you need to. And of course, this not only works, for example, in apps, but you can also use your own photos for that. So for example, if you took a photo of something, you should be able to use circle to search because it works pretty much everywhere. So let's press and hold the home button, and then we can draw a shape around our subject, and you can try to find out what it is. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.